Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Dr. Marwa, the instructor of the course Entrepreneurial STEM Learning. This course is a research-based PD, as I have been working on research concerning entrepreneurial STEM learning for more than 7 years with my co-authors. The focus of this research is to incorporate entrepreneurial practice into STEM education. Our ongoing and intensive research resulted in the development of the first pedagogical STEM model that incorporates entrepreneurial principles into existing STEM curriculum or program applied in schools. During the course, I'll discuss with you the rationale behind this incorporation, and I'll introduce to you the first STEM model to be implemented in your schools. I'll also share a variety of resources with you, like the student's competency profile that includes a wide range of cognitive and non-cognitive competencies, and the strategic plan that will support the implementation in your school. At the end of the course, you will receive a booklet that includes all the resources, templates, and forms that will guide the implementation process in your school. All educators who are interested in STEM learning and would like to take their students to further destination in this field are welcome to this course. Thank you.